Now in worksheet 4.3, we have to use all the formulas we have learned. Totally there are 8 formulas. You must remember this formula, otherwise you cannot do these so challenging questions. Okay, now for the question number 1A, nothing to do in the beginning because we made the division sign here. First step we have to do is remove the division sign first. Just copy the result. X to the power 0, 1 over x to negative 1, and then x to the power negative 2. And after that, we can simplify the answer. The first one is very simple. X to the power 0 is 1. We made some negative index again. Now, we can change the position. X to the power 1 over 1. How about this? It is 1 over x to the power 2. The result is x over x squared. So we can further simplify is x to the power 2 minus 1. For question 1 boy, it is quite simple. Just remove the small bracket, y to the power 3 times negative 2. And the denominator is still negative to the power 4. To simplify the numerator, 3 times negative 2, negative 6. Negative 2 to the power 4, negative 2, negative 2, 4 times. It means that the value is 16. How can we remove the negative 6 in the numerator? Very simple. Just put it back, interchange the position. Question 2A. We repeat the same procedure as before. First, we remove the small bracket first. There's a negative index outside, but don't be afraid. Just repeat the same procedure as before. 2 to the power negative 2. How about x to negative 3, negative 2? We times together. X to the power 6. Very good. How about y? 2 and then negative 2. Y to the power negative 4. Good. How about the denominator? 4x y to the power negative 3. Nothing to do. Now, after the expansion after removing the brackets, we can see that there are so many negative index. Negative 2, negative 4, and negative 3. How can we change them back into a positive index? Remember the rules? It is stated here. Formula 3. Yes. Let's go. 2 to the power negative 2. Put back to the denominator. 2 squared means. How about x? X to the power 6. Nothing special. How about y to the negative 4 and y to the negative 3? Just interchange the position. Okay? Negative 4, put back y to the power 4. Y to the negative 3, put back into the numerator. Y to the power 3. Oh, 4 is missing. Sorry. Okay? Let's go. Find out number of the value of the number first. 2 squared times 4. 2 squared means 4. 4 times 4 is 16. How about 6? X to the power 6 minus 1. How about y? For the value of y, we can just directly minus them. 4 minus 3. So we can get the result x to the power 5, 16y. Section question 2b. You can see that in this question there are 2 small round brackets. we remove the bracket first. Very simple. 2 to the power negative 4, x to the power 8. Very good. Y to the power negative 4. Very good. How about this? We can see the number y to the power 0. We can immediately write down it is equal to 1. And then after that, we repeat the same procedure first, because we didn't remove all the small round brackets. So I just copy them out. Remove it up, x to the power 6. Okay. How to deal with this negative index? Remember the formula? Yes. Just changing the position. Y to the power 4. 2 to the power 4. And then x to the power x times x to the power 6. And the final answer is y to the power 4, x to the power x plus 6 over 2 to the power 4. 2 to the power 4 is not equal to 8. Remember. 2 times 2 times 2, 4 times it means 16, not equal to 8. So the value is 16. The final answer is y to the power 4, x to the power 14 over 16. Okay, in question 3a, the first symbol, the division sign, first change it into multiplication sign first. It means that we just copy 6 squared, 216 power 0 times 1 over 2 squared. Okay, what is the value of 216 to power 0? It is equal to 1. What is 1 over 2 squared? It is 4. What is the value of 6 squared? Don't mix them up. It is equal to 36. It means that the answer is 9. Now, for the question 3 boy, it is the most difficult problem to find out the values. Why? Maybe you ask why. Because no one knows the value of 4 to the power 5 without using the calculator. This value is so big. So if we directly multiply them out, no one can get the answer. Because the question requires us to find the value without using a calculator. It means that you cannot use calculator. If we cannot use a calculator, how can we find out the value of 4 to the power 5? I think no one can answer. So in this problem, we use another method to find out the answer. Now, please watch out. Please note it carefully. For the number 8, it is related with 2. 2 to the power 3 is equal to 8. Can you remember? How about 9? 9 is equal to 3 to the power 2. 3 squared is equal to 9. And also, what is the value of 4? 4 is equal to 2 squared. Okay, everything is ready. We change the expressions into a small round bracket into 8. Change it into 2 to the power cube. How about 9? 9, change it to 3 squared. With the small bracket, outside the small bracket, that's negative 2. How about 4? Change it back to 2 squared. How about 3? Nothing special. It's just only 3. But it is inside the bracket. A small bracket 5. Outside, there's an index 5. And now, the second part, remove the bracket. Okay? 2 to the power 3, to the power 2. 2 to the power what? You remember? Yes, negative 6. How about this? 3 to the power negative 4. Very good. How about this? 2 to the power 10. And the last one, 3 to the power 5. Okay, there are two numbers 2. 2 to the power negative 6, 2 to the power 10. We can group it together by using which formula? Yes, this formula, formula 1 in section 4.1. It is equal to 2 to the power negative 6 plus 10. And also repeat the same procedure, 3 to the power negative 4 plus 5. Therefore, the answer is 2 to the power 4 over 3 to the power 1. Remember, 2 to the power 4 is 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. It is equal to 16. Many students get the wrong answer. 2 to the power 4 is equal to 2 times 4 is to 8. Sure, it is wrong. Remember, 2 to the power 4 is 16 over 3. Is this amazing? Is this amazing for you? No one can get the answer of 4 to the power 5 without using the calculator. But I can simplify this answer with these simple techniques. After watching the videos for the question number 2, number 1 and number 3, you have to do some classwork on page 2. Please do it by yourself for question 4 and question 5. Now please check the answer by yourself for question 4A, 4B and question 5A and 5B.